Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. Today is unboxing day, so the unboxing for today is this. Okay, so let's open. This
Open
is
sesame.
from Amazon. Yeah, so let's see what is this.
Open it carefully, don't destroy the box, because if it doesn't work, I'll have to send it back.
Oh my lord.
Yeah,
So
put
this,
it in our box.
okay, so I'll just put it there.
If it works, it might be useful for you when the weather gets hot again.
Venless hanging neck fan. Oh my gosh, neck fan. So hang it on the neck. See, it's open.
Maybe somebody's already returned it.
It's like that when I took out from the box.
Yeah.
See, and it's, I think, yeah, someone opened it because this should be in the plastic, isn't it?
Not necessarily.
So this is very unusual. I haven't seen anything like this before.
Yeah, they got loads of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so look at
is
that,
one of the
guys. There's lots
cheapest
of
ones.
colors. Oh my gosh, I'll see if it's color. Oh,
If it
it's
works.
white. Mine is white. So they got 4 colors in here. It would be nice if it's that color.
Not really.
No?
It's like blue.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like purplish.
They have different
Bluish
colors
purple.
and different brands, but they are more expensive.
Oh, so you have to charge it.
Yeah. Don't open the charger thing. Leave it as it is.
Yeah.
I don't know if they've charged it a bit. Sometimes they charge them a bit so you can see if it comes on.
So this is very nice. Oh my gosh.
The holes should face you when you put it around your neck.
Where is the hole?
Yeah, so the other way.
How do you know?
I can see the holes on the handle.
See?
No, the holes on the side.
And this one.
No. You're looking at turn it round. Turn it round. Turn it round. Bit more. There. Can you see the holes?
Oh. Oh, so this is back.
The air should blow from them, so I don't know which way you hang it. Maybe the other way. No, you have to hang it on your neck.
Oh.
So no, then it will be the other way, because this one is turned around.
So
Yeah,
like that.
yeah,
Oh, so like this. Oh yeah, and it's flexible.
yeah.
See, it opens like that,
Yeah.
and then it's.
Depending on
It-
how
it
thick your
type-
neck is.
Oh my gosh, my neck is
adjust it.
too small. Look, it joined together. Look,
It's supposed to have 3 speeds.
I thought it's like this.
No, that's that one. Is that the button on the back, near the back? That?
This.
Yeah, press it. See.
Oh
There.
my gosh, listen.
Can you feel anything?
Oh, so the air goes there.
Press it one more time.
Oh, it's
More.
more.
One more?
It's stronger. And more stronger.
That should be the
This is
strongest.
3 times stronger. Oh my gosh, it's like blowing in through my ears.
When it's very hot, it could be useful, especially when you're on the bus.
The thing is it's buzzing. I can hear the buzzing sound of the air. And then if someone calling me from the back, I can hear.
Can you twist it towards your head? Yeah. Slightly, yeah. So that's when it's hanging, twist it slightly, yeah, slightly so that
It doesn't
lands on you.
stay. It would be nice if it's like this. But it's that, and then so it's here. The air is there.
It says it runs up to about 3 hours.
Oh no, because maybe because my
charge.
neck is too small. It should be like that.
If you put it too far, then it probably won't. It'll probably just go past your head. So
Oh, my neck is too short.
no.
So yeah, it's nice. I like it. It's like it's like a toy, but it's very useful.
I
So
hope it's not
nice.
too heavy. The only thing that's a bit bulky.
Can you hear it, guys? It's buzzing. It's like there's a swarm of bees.
When you press the button one more, will it stop? Probably. Well, still, or maybe
Yeah.
it's 5 speeds.
No, it goes back. Like because I press it 3 times.
Yeah,
So I press it 3 times as well.
maybe
Before
it's
it stops.
5 speeds, because some of them are 5 speed. What does it say on the box? Some are 3, some are 5.
No, it says it's scan here.
How about the box itself? Does it say how many speeds? The fan.
Surround air supply, power, air inlet. Can you see there? It doesn't say. It just says strong wind. 10 degrees. So it's 2 hours for full charge. It doesn't say.
Maybe 4. Doesn't actually say the number.
Oh yeah, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gear.
That's it.
So it's 5. Yeah, because earlier I pressed it 3. And then I press it 3 again. So 3, 4, 5. And then the 6th is stop. Yeah, so that's it. It's 5 gear. It's like driving. First gear. It's like a no manual in gears. So it's so nice. Look at that, guys. Look at this inside of it. So it's like really a fan. Yeah, because it is a fan. It's a cute fan. And this is where to charge.
Yeah, we'll plug it
Yes.
in and charge it. So when we come home from work, we take it off and go up and plug it in to charge.
So this is for the front. So this is where the air comes out.
Yeah.
And the buzzing sound is here.
Yeah, the whirring, because
Yeah.
the fans are there.
And in here it's like smooth, so it doesn't hurt the neck. So it's not adjustable. So it's
Hopefully it's not heavy.
no, it's not heavy.
Should be slightly adjustable, isn't it?
No, you cannot adjust there. There's a screw. It's adjustable like this.
Yeah.
No, it's flexible. I mean.
Yeah, but it doesn't stay.
Yeah. Oh, so that is the name, guys. Neck fan.
There, on the box.
Here as well. Yeah. And
Neck
it's
fan.
made in China.
As usual.
So a 5V. So 5 volt.
Yeah.
So it runs for 2 hours.
Does it say only 2
Non-stop.
hours?
Yeah. 2 hours non-stop.
On the thing it's at 3, but maybe that's at this low speed.
It takes about 2 hours for full charge. Ah, for
So
charging.
to charge, yeah.
Oh, see, it's charging. 2 hours charging.
Yeah, and maybe up to 3 hours at full speed.
It takes about 2 hours for full charge. See.
Yeah,
It's
that's the
warranty
charge.
for 12 months. I hope it's,
I hope it lasts
yeah.
at least that long.
Because
there
it looks
there were
sturdy.
like more than a dozen, I think, different ones, and virtually all of them had bad reviews.
And this?
Some good reviews. Most of the reviews for this were wrong.
Really?
They were for handheld fun, but there were a couple which were okay. So Amazon mixed the reviews.
So are not the same, the colors, the reviews of the colors? Or
They
are
only
the
had
same?
the white one for this
Oh,
particular seller.
yeah.
Some of the other sellers had other colors as well, but they were more expensive
So this is not...
and had bad reviews as well. So
yeah, so this is like flexible, wide. You can keep it wider. It depends of someone's neck, if it's small or big. My size is small,
Careful not
extra
to
small.
open it too much, it might snap.
No, because that's it. So, well, thank you guys for watching. Look at that, is it amazing, guys?
Yes.
Have you got one of these, guys? And if you do,
So
could
keeps
you...
your hands free rather than holding a fan in your
Yeah,
hand.
yeah, that's right.
They just hang down on your neck so your hands are free to do other things.
Yeah, because the other
Talk on
day...
your mobile.
Yeah, the other day, it's so hot outside. Yeah, I'm thinking of bringing the handheld fan.
Yeah.
And then the next day it's a bit cooler, so said, oh, so no need to. And then now you got me this, so it's okay because it free my hand.
We'll
It's
charge
amazing.
it fully and then
I
you can put
love
it in your
it.
bag. It's a bit bulky. Is it
Yeah.
heavy?
No,
Good.
no, it's not bulky. So this is just like that. So where will you put it? Do you have that charger for this thing? Oh,
Yeah.
we got that
Yeah,
thing,
we
is
plug
it?
it into the...
Yeah, so
Where we
that's...
plug the mobiles.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
two
alright,
sockets.
okay.
One is for your mobile.
Yeah, SD socket.
One is for
What do you
my
put in?
mobile, but we only need to charge them for a couple of hours at the most. So
Yeah. Alright,
the
okay
charger
guys.
chargeless.
So this is it. This is the unboxing for today, this neck fan. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you. Ta-da! Love, love, love.